The legal error in the FEC's argument would be the FEC's attempt to apply the logic of McConnell, which is the direct contributions to candidates and their potential for corruption, equivocating to independent expenditure groups post Citizens United, which found independent expenditures do not have the same corrupting effect, which is, of course, nonsense. The better explanation than was posted on YouTube is the Texas two-step, where a corporation that's getting sued for billions of dollars transfers its ownership of operations to Texas, divests itself into an additional company, shove all the money to the other company, and the original company now can declare bankruptcy while the owners still have the money in a different company. It's a type of Texas two-step. The solution, of course, is a constitutional amendment. My proposal, the 20th Amendment, is the establishment of the public electronic vote in the House and Senate, the right to propose direct legislation in Congress and vote on legislation in Congress. This amendment pertains to voters' powerlessness and the power of the vote of the individual in the United States. It eliminates the middleman. The amount of effort for a PAC effort to remove money is just the same as enabling power for the individual person. Many problems in the United States can be devised to the concepts of powerlessness and how people act, because their life has a lot of powerlessness, and the 28th Amendment will give the enablement of voting power to the individual American for policies in Congress. Thank you.